Okay, so we're going to do a circle at 1 meter. So, hello, I'm in the stitched area. Coming to 12 o'clock. Is that 1 meter?
That's 1.5.
1.5 meters is approximate. Walking around. This is at 3 o'clock. This is at 6 o'clock. So let's see if we can have a conversation, Shane. You talk to me.
You're on 1.5, I'm on 1.5.
Okay, so let's talk to each other. How are you doing?
I'm alright, how are you?
Well, you're going to walk towards 9 o'clock, and I'm
Okay.
going to walk towards 3 o'clock, and we're going to keep talking to each other.
All
So
right.
what are you saying?
Well, I was saying that I had an awful itch in my anus there the other day.
Really?
Really,
This
just
is
an
sort of,
awful-
that's not the
and
sort of
it's-
movie that we're being funded for.
It's a thing that I have to mention.
Is this a documentary about your bum?
My rectum?
Yeah, about your bum.
Possibly.
It is, about your rectum. Is that a
rectally
technical
challenged.
term for a bum?
Yes, I think
You
so.
a doctor, maybe?
I always wanted to be.
Really?
Bum doctor.
One doctor?
Bum
A
doctor.
bum doctor?
Like a mock.
Is it like sort of a homeless person who wants to be a doctor?
Yeah, sort of.
Okay.
Sort
Okay,
of.
or is that sort of an American sort
That's
of...
kind of type thing.
Okay,
Okay,
you're much
so-
further away than I am, so you should be louder. Maybe you should walk towards it and I'll walk away.
Okay,
And we'll
I'm
get
going to
sort of
walk
a
towards it. I'm not going to
proximity
raise my
with
voice and just keep going
Yeah.
as we are.
Yeah, you should
I'm
do
not
that.
going to be doing anything louder.
Yeah.
Let's reverse the process
Yeah,
as we
should
keep
reverse that
going, and I'm
process.
just going to keep
It's like
talking
a
and
bunting
monologuing
in
as we go.
reverse, and you put the
Yeah,
poo on
you
the
know,
outside
back
instead of the
in.
inside. Yeah,
Scooper.
yeah, scooper, yeah.
Scooper.
Scooper.
Okay,
Okay.
so
Well,
what do you think?
that's pretty much it then.
Okay.
Okay.
I really think that we're going to have issues when it comes to not just my own bum, but these things are recording, are they? Record.
No,
Huh?
you have to press record twice. Shane.
Yeah.
But however, we have recorded the mistake that you made on this camera.
Well, that's
So
okay.
Shane made a massive mistake there. We have to do the whole test again because Shane didn't get it right. But that's okay. He's only directing.
I
He doesn't-
have feelings.
He doesn't have to be technical.
I have feelings.
Yeah. You're like Donald Trump with your feelings.
Yeah, well.
Yeah. Well, let's first do just a standard circle. So this is about 1.5 meters. I am at 3 o'clock. I'm walking up to 12 o'clock. 12 o'clock now. 12 o'clock. I'm coming over to 9 o'clock. 9 o'clock. Here we are at 9 o'clock. I'm to 6 o'clock. Over to 6 o'clock. And do you want to talk to me there?
So 1.5 meters here, 1.5 meters there.
Okay, so we're talking to each other.
I think you're further away than 1.5 meters, but that's
Do you
okay.
think that? Do
Yeah,
you think that?
I do.
Yeah, do you think that in your waters, is it a feeling or is
It's a
it
feeling.
mathematical?
It's a feeling in my waters.
In your waters. Okay, do you want to go over to 9 o'clock there?
Yeah, sure. I'm going to go,
down
and
over
I'm
to
just
3
going to keep
o'clock.
talking
Okay.
as you go. So I
Yeah,
don't know
we're
what
like a
you're
stand-up
up to.
routine here.
Oh,
Yeah.
and there you go. Little,
Okay,
little
so I'm going to
birdie for
walk
Shane.
backwards now.
Okay, you
Okay,
walk
I'm gonna
away.
walk
Walk
backwards.
away.
Maybe my
And
voice
I'm
will be
just
a
going to
bit
keep talking as we
further
go.
away,
We shouldn't
less-
just
less
make
easy to
any
hear.
sort of
Maybe I'm
presumptions
talking
about
at the
anything.
same volume, though.
Okay, so
Yeah.
you just keep doing that.
Yeah,
I'm going to walk towards this mic
Yeah,
here,
you do that,
and we're
you
just
do
going to
that.
walk,
You
and I'm
get
not going to make
closer.
any more
Okay.
volume than I was, and I'm going to be
Yeah,
here
maybe you get
having a
closer.
chat, talking away. I should be quite loud. So yeah, that's quite hurtful. Quite hurtful, no, quite hurtful. I didn't want to say anything, but you really are quite a mean man. That's what it is.
Do you know my daughter? I said to her,
it's gonna be like a
I said to her,
three-way
who loves you?
This is-
And she's on the
it's
changing
Shane.
table, and she said,
It's Shane.
Daddy and Shane.
Yeah, 'cause, well, Shane,
Yeah, Daddy and Shane. That's what she
Shane's a
said.
role model.
Yeah.
That's what it is. Shane's a role model.
Yeah. Okay.
Okay, so I think we're about.
Okay, done.
Yeah.
We press stop on these things.
Yep.